guys, it's your girl Almond Duchess, and I am here with my very first YouTube video. You guys been waiting and asking for me to make a YouTube channel, and it's finally here. I know, right? Epic. Anyway, today's look will be on this look, as you see here. I call it midnight. Yes, but I call it midnight. It's cute. It's fun. It is not that bold, but it's bold. That bold, you know? You can still wear this during the day, because I definitely am. It's popping. I like it. I hope you guys love it. Now let's get into the video. Wow.
Okay, you guys can see I already did my brows off camera. If you guys want to see a video on how I achieve my eyebrows, let me know in the comments below. I already applied my eyeshadow base, so right now what I'm doing is adding my black eyeshadow across my eyelid. Blend, blend, blend. Make sure you get it exactly across your eyelid, which is across the ball of the eye, and go a little bit above it. I didn't go up too high because I have hooded eyes, so I just stayed in my safe zone. But I will definitely go in with a brown eyeshadow just to blend it all out to make it look a little more crisp. And here come that sneeze in 3, 2, 1. Whew, excuse me guys, back to the video. Using my mermaid palette, I'm taking a pressed glitter in the color black and just placing it across the black eyeshadow that's already applied to the eyelid, just to give it a cute sparkly effect. Now I'm going to take my brown eyeshadow and go above the black eyeshadow just to blend it out some. Blend, 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 just to get rid of the harsh lines and stuff like that. Now I'm going to apply my eyelashes in the style Duchess. They are super cute, super dramatic, yas. As you can see, I'm adding on my foundation. This is, I believe it's Milani foundation in the style 11A. And I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. I'm going to press the brush into my skin. Press, press, press. That's how I apply my foundation, just to make sure it's deep into the skin. Don't forget that jawline and that neck, ladies, okay? Yes, and she's already feeling herself. Okay, now I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses concealer, go down my nose brim, my forehead, under my eye, my chinny chin chin, and below my nose above the lip. Using a flat foundation brush, I'm going to press it into my skin. I take my Ruby Kisses concealer and go down the sides of my nose brim, my cheekbones, across the forehead, and I'm going to take a small brush and get to blending it out. I could not find my big brush, so that's what I had to use, guys. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance blush and apply it to my cheekbones. Now using a bronzer, I am going to set the concealer that I placed on my cheekbones and across my forehead area. Now I'm getting my setting powder on the brush, just so I can apply it underneath of my eyelids. And I press it into the skin. I do not bake. I put it on my chin, my forehead, and down the nose brim. Everywhere basically that I highlighted. And now I'm taking the brush with setting powder underneath of my contour area, just to accentuate it a little bit more, to give it a little dramatic effect. Okay, after adding the moles on my face, just for the look that I was going for, I'm going to take my highlight and I'm going to highlight under my brow bone, on my cheekbone, down my nose brim, and just get it all nice and sparkly. And I'm going to put some highlight in the tear duct area. Now add your favorite lip gloss and use your setting spray to set your face, throw in that wig, and there you go, ladies.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, baby. Tell a friend to tell a friend.